Now, coming to the stock specific idea, the first that we have on the list is Marico from the FMCG basket. So, like we always say that when it comes to stock selection, prefer the top performing name within the sector. So off late we were seeing some consolidation in FMCG pack, but Marico didn't see much of the decline during that phase. In fact, it was trading in a very tight range. And with recovery in FMCG, it was the first among the names making a new high. So we believe that this outperformance will continue. So one can accumulate in the mentioned range with 685 being the stop and 755 target area. So just to sum it up our view, मार्केट का टोन पॉजिटिव 25,550 निकल गया फ्राइडे को, अब 26,000 26,500 इसके लिए खुल गया है मार्केट। फोकस कहाँ पे रहेगा तो ग्लोबल मार्केट्स पे रहेगा, ऑफ कोर्स यूएस पे तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, और साथ ही साथ बैंकिंग किस तरीके से परफॉर्म करता है, फाइनेंशियल किस तरीके से परफॉर्म करते हैं, बिकॉज वहां पे एफआईज की बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बाइंग देखने को मिल रही है। तो हो सकता है कुछ टाइम आपको यही दिखे कि आपके स्टॉक्स जो मिड कैप और स्मॉल कैप वाले हैं पोर्टफोलियो में वो शायद परफॉर्म ना करें, बट लार्ज कैप में चाहे वो बैंक्स हों चाहे वो ऑटो काउंटर्स हों, यहाँ पे स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रैक्शन देखने को मिल सकता है। तो पोजीशन उसी तरीके से अलाइंड होनी चाहिए, लार्जर मिड कैप और इंडेक्स मेजर्स। कुछ सेलेक्टिव ऑब्वियसली स्मॉल कैप्स भी करेंगे, बट वहां पे आपको बहुत प्रिसाइज होना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो या, that is all from my side. Thank you.
So the next breakout stock for the day is JSW Energy. So the stock has been in a steady uptrend with a series of higher highs and higher lows. It consolidated at higher level, forming a basing pattern and has registered breakout from the same. Now, after a marginal dip, it retested the breakout zone and surged higher, forming a strong bullish candle with volumes. So, based on the technical structure, the stock is expected to perform well and can be bought between 778 to 783 levels, with a stop at 760 and a target of 825. The aggressive stock for the day is macro tech developers, that is Lodha. So recently the reality space is gaining strength, and Lodha is also offering a buying opportunity. So after being in a corrective phase from past many months, the stock consolidated in a broader range near its 200 EMA. So it scrub any further fall and created a base. So in recent session, it witnessed a breakout from the same with noticeable price and volume activity, suggesting the resumption of uptrend. One can consider long between 1390 to 1396, maintaining a stop loss of 1345 and a target of 1490. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.